Hi, today I will show you how to fix file is too large for destination file system error. This error occurs when you try to copy large file into your USB or SD card. So without wasting time, let's start the video. When I tried to copy one large file to my USB, it gave me this error. So to fix this error, you need to format your USB or SD card. Just right-click on USB and click on Format. Now window like this appear for you. Just need to change file system type here. Change system type from FAT32 to NTFS. If you have any important data in USB or SD card, just back up it before formatting, because after format you might not recover your file. And now click on Start button, then click OK button. It will format the USB or SD card and change the file system type. Now you will be able to copy file to your USB. You can see I am able to copy 6 GB file to USB now. Fast forwarding the video. File successfully copied to USB. I didn't take too much time to fix the problem. If you find it useful, then please like the video and share it. Also subscribe the channel and press bell icon. Thanks for watching the video. Watch more useful videos on my channel. I will see you next time. Till then, goodbye.